those hooks. Okay, 1.9 TDI with some remap, some fuel nozzles and hybrid turbo, but not optimized software after hybrid turbo installed. So around 150-160 horsepower on the engine. Good pulse, but little bit of turbo wag because of the bigger turbo of the hybrid turbo. It's actually 1752 Garrett now compared to the stock one, which is 1749. The nozzles, you ask me about the nozzles. The nozzles are from 140 horsepower, 2.5 liter, 5-cylinder TDI. In size they are 0.216 UM, and these nozzles can handle up to 170-180 horsepower. The fuel pump element is stock 10mm, can be upgraded to 11 or 12, but for 12 bigger nozzles are needed. The car is with standard intercooler. You can see a lot of wheel spin on this wet road with 15-inch second gear. Again, wheel spin. Very wide wheels. Actually the widest wheels available are these which I am using now, original Audi, around 5 kilos each. I stop here in this lane. Come on. In Audi. Little bit of clutch. Clutch burning because it's a single mass clutch from the previous 1Z model. They say them as a kits. And it's the Chinese clutch Westlake, which really burns easily. But the car has its power, of course. even though it's a little bit laggy because no optimization of the software after hybrid turbo installed. Driving like grandmothers, all the cars in the city when there is little rain. I don't know what will happen if there is snow. People leave their cars and go by walk because they are too afraid to drive with more than 20 kilometers. With this setup, car burns around 8 liter 0.5 per 100 kilometers in the city. But this is not, as you know, economical drive. It's unreasonably, it's start-stop. It's aggressive driving, I should say. Too much traffic, too much traffic. Airplane full throttle. .9 is a real Pullman, as you can see. It slips on third gear. And no matter how aggressively it's stupid, idiotic you drive, it's always around 8 liter. That's the beauty of 1.9 TDI. It's a 30 years old engine and still gives pretty nice fuel economy. Even the modern petrol cars can't have such fuel consumption while driving aggressively. X-turbo, and the consumption is really good. If you drive easy, you can get 4 liters really easy. 5 liters is with 5 liters per 100 is if you drive it with the limits, with the speed limits, and if you drive it really like you don't care, you get around 6.5, and that's it. Really cheap to drive. Traction. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. Watch our other POV and driving and reviewing and some other things which we have in the channel. Thanks again for your attention. Be healthy and drive your cars every day, because driving is everything for us petrol heads. Bye guys.